Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable the Grammarly extension for Safari on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here, tap on Safari. So tap on Safari. Then we go down and tap on extensions. Next in here you should see Grammarly for Safari. Now if you do not see it, I will show you how to install it in a moment. So first we go into Grammarly for Safari and then tap on allow extensions. So tap on the allow extension toggle button to switch it on. You can also turn it on or off in private browsing mode as well. Now if Grammarly is not installed for Safari, you can go back here, tap on more extensions and then tap on search. Now in here you can type in Grammarly and then select that, and from here just simply tap on install. Here we got the Grammarly keyboard. I can update that, so we can update Grammarly to install the latest update. And that's it. Once it is installed, you can go back into settings and then activate Grammarly by simply tapping on the toggle button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.